Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got something today sent in from Source Guy. They sent me quite a lot recently, so I've been doing a lot of these videos. And this is for the PA01. And these are replacement flight sticks, joysticks, whatever you want to call them. These are the V3 ones. There is other ones available. But yeah, let's bring in for a close-up look and see how these look on the transmitter, see how they are to fit. And yeah, I'll see what I think to the feel of them. So to start with, we need to remove one of these stock ones, and these just screw out. Should be quite an easy fitment on this. So that's our stock design. Nice amount of grip on top and good bit of knurling, and then you do have the little lock nut. Now you can reuse the lock nut on these. So if we screw that off, if you want to be able to adjust the height slightly, you can retain the lock nut, and then as you screw it in, you can tighten the lock nut down. So that's the sort of height that we've got. So if you're wanting to use the lock nut on it, so all the way down with the lock nut, we're talking 26mm. So 26mm height right to the top. The stock ones with the nut all the way down, I'm talking considerably less on these. So this is more 22mm height, just to give you some idea. And on this one, just for now, I'll leave the little locking nut off. See how low we can get it without the locking nut. So we're talking about 23.5, maybe 24mm at the most, without the little locking nut. For me, I'd possibly run this without the locking nut, because I think the height will be perfect like that, but let's just try it with it. So if I grab hold of it, it is a really nice feel, I must admit. I'm not struggling at the extremes. Now if I held that exactly where I can get my hands on everything, so does feel pretty comfortable to use at that. So let's just drop the locking rings off, or locking nuts. I do think with the shorter thread on these, they're probably designed to run without the locking nut, but you can use it if you've got really long thumbs. You could use the locking nut just to give you that extra height. So if we shorten that all the way down, they do feel incredibly grippy, and the colour match is pretty much perfect for the transmitter. But yeah, that does feel really, really nice. Even on the off angles at the side of the transmitter sticks, doesn't really matter where your thumb rolls to on it. They're not wanting to slip out at all. So yeah, I think, to be totally honest, the feel of these plastic coatings, it does feel less sort of tearing at your thumbs than the machined metal ones, but also the knurling on the side of these nowhere near as grippy as these replacements. So I think for me, I'm probably going to leave them on. Price wise, they are really, really cheap. You're only looking at around £9, or just over £8 should I say, for UK price, and I think under $11 for America. But yeah, that is a really nice feel. Certainly got more grip, especially if it's hot and you've got sweat on your fingers. You're gonna slip far less off these with the plastic spikes, but they do feel really, really nice. I would definitely have a lot of confidence in that, especially if I were flying something like one of racing drones or FPV drones. That it really does feel nice. The amount of movement you can throw these sticks around, you can get to every angle, and you don't feel like you're slipping and sliding around on them. So yeah, quite impressed with that. They do a couple of designs. I think these are the V3 ones. They do a V2 one that's slightly different. I'll put a picture on it around here somewhere for you. But yeah, for sort of $11, $12 maybe, and £8, £9 UK price, really impressive bit of kit. And as I say, I think the colour match for the transmitter is absolutely bang on. They do feel really nice machining, so the threads, everything feels as it should. You've got a nice metal insert in the bottom, so it doesn't look like it's going to come out easy. They don't feel loose or anything. And the threads on them, as I say, yeah, they feel really nice. You can tighten them up nice to it as well, so they're not just going to start coming loose, which you really don't want that as you're if you're driving an RC or flight. You do not want the sticks coming loose. But I genuinely like the feel of that and the height. Even if you've not quite got a good grip on the stick, it's very confident inspiring, just the amount of grip on them. So yeah, quite impressed with that. But yeah, let's wrap this one up. So there we have it, the joysticks or flight sticks for the PA01 from Sky. As I said, these are the V3s. They do a V2, which I'll have popped a picture in the video. But yeah, I like the way the colour matches the transmitter housing. The grip on these feels absolutely brilliant. The speed you can throw the sticks around, the accuracy, you can hit the same spot all the time. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, I think these will be living on my PA01 permanently now. But as always, I'll leave link in description below if you're interested. Thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.